shoot! Hands up, don't shoot! Hands up!
Officers had to flee as the invaders.
After the United States, 357 deaths were recorded in the latest 24-hour period.
George Floyd's arrest and death in police custody on Monday set off protests in the Twin Cities.
All continued until dawn, and throughout, looting was equally rampant. It's all become soberingly familiar in this country, so too the action that sparked it.
Those staying in hospitals or care homes. Now this is down from last week's estimate of 1 in 400. Well, we'll have more on the rate of infection.
Situation remains unchanged outside of the third precinct. Takes a group out there engaged in peaceful activity.
As well as protesters, but these protesters were on the move. At one point shutting down the Manhattan Bridge. And there was also some disturbing images of dumpsters, trash cans, and police vehicles.
The number of deaths from coronavirus has gone over 40,000. It's a time of sorrow for us all.
Relaunch.
You want more of your people to die?
Today I have strongly recommended to every governor.
On March the 11th, the World Health Organization formally declared a pandemic. That day, Spanish football fans were in Liverpool for a Champions League football fixture.
Presence until the violence has been quelled.
They're about to breach the back gate. They're taking heavy rocks.
Heavy rocks. Please air the route that everyone should take.
Pubs and other social venues, and work from home if possible.
Cell phone.
Around 10 p.m., the officers begin evacuating the precinct.
Black Lives Matter Plaza. But nearby the protests go on in the shadow of the memorial to Martin Luther King. Some scenes of police brutality he's witnessed in recent days.
Airing information citywide. The third precinct has been compromised.
Third precinct is up in flames.
Per 100,000 people, with the UK at 60, a little above Spain, Italy and France. There are slight differences in the way each country calculates the figures.
These are the implausible scenes we are witnessing on the streets of the American capital. Heavily armed troops spreading out to take up strategic positions across the city. At the iconic memorial to Abraham Lincoln, the very president who emancipated America's slaves.